The things started melting means they started what? Expanding, increasing volume. लेकिन जैसे वो expand कर रहा है तो there is a pressure. Pressure does not allow. It is not melting at 1000. It is not melting at 11. It is not melting at 1200. It is not melting at 1300. It is melting at 1350. They started removing the pressure and more heat and started moving up. So therefore 1350. लेकिन यहाँ पर pressure कम होगा. They should melt at 800. लेकिन यहाँ पे pressure की वजह से वो 900 पे melt होगा. Yes or not? At least he has what? तो let us see the first क्यों होगा यहाँ पर melt. That is a shallow depth. Here it is what friction is taking place. What is happening? यदि आप अपने hand को rub करोगे, what is the body temperature of yours? कितना body है? Body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Yes. 37.6 हमारी body को, जिसको 98.4 degree Fahrenheit normal we say. लेकिन if you rub your hand, आपके hand में there will be 50-60 degree Celsius temperature comes. Why do the temperature increased? Because of the friction. Because of what? Friction led to the increase in temperature. And जैसे ही friction की वजह से temperature increase करेगा तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? And सोचो this is a trillion tons of mass and they are doing friction. तो सोचो how much temperature will increase. And this is a continental part. This is in silica. More of silica. They will melt. Yes or not? And when they will, this is in a silica. Continent is made of granite. Yesterday I said. And granite, then silica will convert into which magma? Granitic magma. And granitic magma कैसा होता है? It's like in a सूजी का हलवा, highly pasty. It will not be able to come up. And if it is coming up, then it is coming through the explosive volcanic eruption. It is coming through. Understood? So which magma form? Tell me. And what it is causing? Explosive volcanic eruption. Understood? So the first point, friction. First point. And मैं यहाँ पे बोल रहा हूँ कि it is melting at, I said that 800, 900 it is melting. ये सिल्का ही ज़्यादा है तो इसको बोलूँगा मैं 800 पे मेल्ट हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा मैं नीचे जाऊँगा तो क्या होगा? प्रेशर बढ़ गया. Suppose करो, how do you cook rice? And why do the rice has been cooked? When you are giving heat, and when there is in a water, when you are giving water to the water and heated water is there, then hot water enter into the porosity of what is in a rice. Pani, garam pani, hot water enter into the porous area of rice. And they started, after entering into, they started expanding. Garam cheese expand karega. And therefore the rice become like this. Yes or not? Yes or not? It is in an ocean floor. It is what? It is what? Ocean floor. And यहाँ से water it will also go, और थोड़ा सा underground water will be also there. So underground water जो मिलेगा तो water के मिलने से melting point कम होगा या ज़्यादा होगा? Reduce होगा या नहीं होगा? Yes, tell me. यदि पानी से suppose करो कि 900 पे silica is melting, granitic magma is forming, and iron particles सब मिल रहे हैं यहाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा, they are melting. तो पानी मिलने से वो melt जल्दी हो जाएगा before 900 और अभी राइस समझा नहीं रहा था आप लोगों को, क्यों मैंने बोला? So there will be in the silica, there will be what is in a porous area. In the iron particle there will be porous area. तो पानी आप heat दे रहे हो तो water is not in. यदि आप iron को heat दे रहे हो, water is not there. But if you add water little bit, then the hot water will enter into the porous area of what is in iron and silica, and they will help in what is in a fast melting. So that what is an addition of water helping in the melting. Another point I said that first it is I said friction, second I said that, yes, tell me. Addition of water. Understood it? First क्या मैंने बोला? Just tell me. Friction, friction से magma बनेगा, granitic magma. Addition की वजह से और fast melting होगा. Addition of water. Is it okay? Have you seen that sometimes suppose there is a mud is there. Mud है. What is there? एंड इन द मड, अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, यहां पे इसका टेम्परेचर सपोज 900 है, बट 950 मिल जाता तो ये मेल्ट हो जाता, बट इट इज नॉट मेल्टिंग. व्हाई इट इज नॉट मेल्टिंग? बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेशर. व्हाट इज द टेम्परेचर? 900, and it should have how much? 950 suppose. It should have what? तो मेल्ट हो जाएगा. Yes sir. लेकिन ऑलरेडी ये तो 800 पे ही मेल्ट हो जाना चाहिए था. The reason behind it is a pressure is causing to what is a melt at 950, but its temperature is 900. Simple है. मेल्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? Anything started melting means expansion. Yes or not? Its temperature is 900, but if it is able to get the temperature of 950, it will start melting. The answer. I said that kabhi if you put your hand in the mud में if you are putting hand, some bubbles comes out. कभी देखा होगा? Because with your hand some air also goes down. Yes or not? And इसका मतलब why the bubbles? Because there is a release in the pressure. What happened? कभी भी हाथ, जैसे you are putting in the mud your hand, when you are putting your hand in the mud, then the area of contact of your hand, there will be release in the pressure. Yes or not? पहले suppose that this is full of mud, and this mud having a pressure from this side, and if I am putting the hand, then I am making the release of pressure of this. Yes or not? Yes or not? So when the magma is going down, then this section can have what? Release of pressure. And it should melt at 950, but its temperature is how much? तो release of pressure ने क्या किया? बोला अरे यार मेरे को तो क्या मिल गया, मैं फैलने के लिए रेडी हूं. And they have been formed magma, and there is also causing volcanic. And the near to the earth, आपको ही पता है कि there will be more of silica. And which kind of volcanic eruption? Explosive. So which release of pressure? Release of, third point, what I said that? Release of pressure. ध्यान रखिएगा, when you write something different from the other, then you will be think of getting the marks. An examiner loves if you are writing something which is other students are not writing. So what are the cause of formation of magma at the convergent boundary? Friction, addition of water, release of pressure. Is it clear? Friction, addition of water, release of pressure. अब ये release of pressure मान लो 400 किलोमीटर डेप्थ से हो रहा है, 300, 200. जब ये 400 से होगा तो it will start coming up. और जब पेट में गुड़गुड़ होता है तो हिलता है कि नहीं ये? When your stomach started something doing like, the हिलता है ना? So when the magma started coming from here, it will shake it or not? Shake the earth or not? So earthquake can come from here. Yes or not? And from here, some very few earthquake comes. क्योंकि इसकी intensity कम होगी, कम हिलाएगा. Yes or not? So we have also some intermediate focused earthquake, and we have some deep focused earthquake. So intermediate and deep focused earthquake is due to magma, due to clear, and shallow focused earthquake due to, I said that, friction. यहाँ से focus originate ही हो रहा है. So at the point of convergence, which earthquake will be there? Shallow, intermediate and deep focus. सारे ही होंगे. Yes. And how do the magmas are forming? Yes, tell me. What are the reasons that at the convergent boundary the magmas are forming? Friction, addition of water, release of pressure. Understood it? Completely okay in your mind? Now, this is the most important. इसके बाद तो आपका plate tectonic you can understand easily. So now I am going to see at the divergent boundary. At divergent boundary. So what I will write about the diversion? Clear? So at the divergent boundary, what we are able to see? First, divergent पे कोई convergent हो रहा है? नहीं ना हो रहा है. यहाँ तो divergence हो रहा है. तो what is it is known as which kind of boundary? Constructive margin or destructive margin? हाँ? तो आप क्या बोलोगे? And how will you write? It will be there in the notes. From the deep mantle, so no, there will be in the notes. From the deep mantle, when the temperature of the rock becomes 1350 degrees Celsius, and the magma, basaltic magma formed, and they started convecting upward. By reaching near the Earth's surface, its temperature become 1100 degrees Celsius, and it is heavier than the surrounding. They started convecting downward, and when they started convecting downward, they put in a frictional drag. And when they put in a frictional drag, the plates started what? Diverging. And when they started diverging, at the point of divergence, a gap created, a new crust comes, and new crust formation. That is known as what? Constructive margin. Divergent boundary is a what? Formation of new crust. So it is known as which boundary? Which margin? Constructive margin. Understood it? Now, what is the thickness of oceanic plate? 60 to 70. When they will plates started diverging, oceanic plates, so earthquake कहाँ से आ सकता है? From which depth to which depth it can come? 0 to 70, 60 तक ही आ सकता है. इसका मतलब most of the earthquake will be what? Shallow focused earthquake. So when the divergent boundary, which kind of earthquake? Shallow. But if it is moving like this with the low intensity, with so shallow focused earthquake. But with low intensity, first point. Yes. Next point. Which magma is coming? Granitic magma is coming at the divergent, or basaltic magma is coming? Basaltic magma comes with explosion, or it is easily coming? Huh? Easily coming, na? Yes or not? Pani ki tarah hota hai. It likes what? Molten iron is more, and when the iron is more, the molten iron is like a liquid. जिसमें सिल्का ज्यादा होता है, so silica is like a paste, and paste is not able to come out because सूजी का हलवा, and then when the pressure is below, फट. और जिसमें पानी क्या होता है, कभी फट फट करते सुना है? सूजी का हलवा को, you must have seen that. फट, जब हीट दे रहे हो नीचे से, उसके बाद दे रहे फट फट. So there will be explosion by the granitic, but effusion means without explosion. Effusion means without explosion. Who will be? Basaltic. So यहाँ पे कैसा volcanic eruption होगा? Effusive, easily coming out. Which volcanic eruption? Effusive volcanic eruption by basaltic magma. Understood? Effusive volcanic eruption. Earthquake के we'll talk always earthquake, volcano. दे दोनों चीज तो बात करेंगे always. Another will say, यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है? Yes, tell me, what is forming in the middle part of the ocean? What is forming? Mountain range, and this mountain range is known as mid-oceanic ridge. So the mountain range बन गया. This is known as what? Mid-oceanic ridge. So there will be formation of mid-oceanic ridge. And where these mid-oceanic ridges are there? It is in the Pacific. This portion is known as the plates are diverging. Here this is also, earlier North American Eurasian plate were together, they started diverging. And African and South American plates were together, they started what? Diverging. Yes. And the middle part has mid-oceanic ridge. And आपको दिखा था India and Madagascar, they started diverging. Yes. So I said that, and the middle part में क्या होगा? Mid-oceanic ridge. And world का सबसे longest ridge कौन सा है? Mid-Atlantic. It is in the S shape. It is in the. So mid-oceanic ridge is everywhere. It is in the Pacific Ocean. It is in the Atlantic Ocean, and it is also in which? Indian Ocean. Mid-oceanic ridge. Get it? Got it? Another point I said that mid-oceanic ridge. अब यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? Yes, tell me. What will be in the formation? यहाँ पे एक रिफ्ट देख रहे हैं, एंड ऑलवेज द प्लेट्स आर डाइवर्जिंग अवे. यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? रिफ्ट. एज आई हैव सेड यू, व्हेन द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट फॉर्मेशन एट वेस्टर्न घाट फॉर्मेशन, there will be always in a gap, magmas are going and the plates are what is in it? Diverging, and the plates started subducting below the continental crust. And दिख रहा है यहाँ पे there is a friction से बन रहा है, and there is a release of pressure, addition of water. So the middle section is what? Uplifted, and it is known as a mid-oceanic ridge. और this middle section when it is uplifted, जो uplifted होगा उसके बीच में कैसा होगा? Rift. पता है ना, नॉर्मल फॉल्ट, टेंशनल फोर्स. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ रिफ्ट वैली. सो इन द मिडिल सेक्शन देयर इज आल्सो एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ व्हाट? रिफ्ट वैली. यस, देयर विल बी आल्सो. ये सोलिडिफिकेशन के बाद है. जैसे ये व्हेन द प्लेट्स आर मूविंग अवे, व्हेन आई हैव सेड दैट Madagascar Indian Gondwana plate is going, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन फर्स्ट रिफ्ट वैली, फिर ये अडा, देन